That was easy. Easy. All right. Calamar, you're next, buddy. Calamar, you ugly bitch. Let's do this. Calamar, nobody likes you. Nobody likes you, Calamar. You dick. Ah.
Look at this dude.
How is everybody doing today? I'm super excited to be back. It's been a long couple of days away from you guys, but that's okay. I am back now. Relax. It'll be all right. Now, let's hop right over to Cult of Kicks. Yes, we are back. We are doing the damn thing. All right, let's see what these little troublemakers have been getting themselves into. People are dying. Oh, shit. Poo everywhere. Oh, my God. Jesus. Do I have enough flowers to fix one of them at least? I don't. Oh, there's poo everywhere. Right, cool. Build this for the 5th time, I think. Let him cook. Why is this guy so freaking needy? What? What do you want? I need any more starving people. Inspire you guys. There you go. Yeah. All right. That's right. Last time we beat Hecate, we beat him to a bloody pulp. Who are you? Some seeds. Thank you. Aww. Gotta defeat Flinky and Knucklebones too. Kicked my ass last time. Emma! Oh my God! Damn it! I will fuck you up. What you got for me? Yeah, blah blah blah. I'm not doing great with the dodging this time. Too much care for this hammer. Too slow. Speed run this bit. Yeah. That hammer. How we get wrecked. Ouch! Calamar, nobody likes you. Nobody likes you, Calamar. You dick. Come on, Salus. Now we sea urchin looking bitch. Ah! Get wrecked, fools. There we go. Get out of here. Get out of here! Let's go! Let's go fix what you fricked up. 77 heretics defeated in 8 minutes. That's right. That's right. Hey, you. No, not you. Hey, you. You're supposed to be loyal to me. We're married. What do you want? Everybody come to church. What happened? Okay, what else can we build? Create some of their beds. You should have known better. All right. All right, we got this, guys. Ah. All right. Ooh, fuck. Ah, come on! about to lose my mind. There we go. That's right. That's right. Let's go. Nice. Immune to poison. I'll take it. Alrighty. Go back to the cult for a little bit. Yes! Finally! Re-educate you. Go fight some more assholes. Thank you. Get fleshy. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Damn it. Thank you. Haha. Cool. Let's get out of here. Why are you upset? Let's do all the things that we're little side missions we're supposed to be doing. We'll go over here first. Spore grotto. Flop. Oh, I gotta build the thing now. All right. Quack. Too easy. Hell yeah. You little bitch. Thank you. What's up, little deer man? Boss fight. Let's go! We gotta find Huber. All right, let's go find Huber and Enduro. Where is this little bastard? There you are. Yeah, sorry. All right, we rescued him. Fuck you, Heckett. Well, it's all good. It's all good. Re-educate you. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Bah. What the hell do you want? Alright, we're gonna do a little sacrifice real quick. Alright. Alright, we're gonna respect our elders, guys. Go catch some fish. Let's go try to fight this freaking guy one more time. Gain some new experience. We gain some new things. I think we got a good chance. All right, you ugly bastard. Let's do this. Got him. Let's go. That was easy. Easy. All right. Calamar, you're next, buddy. I can say fuck. I ain't scared of you. Godly axe. Hell yeah. Let's freaking go is right, Michaela. I like the axe for sure. We're doing pretty good, I think. That's right. That's right. What we got here? Vampiric axe or a godly sword. We do have sword. Let's do the sword for increased speed. Oh, not one of these guys again. Shit. Ow. Ah. Yeah. All right, Calamar, you ugly bitch. Let's do this. All right, you ugly bitch. Damn it. Ah. Damn it.
Look at this dude.
I don't think it's worth sacrificing anybody for this one. Let's go check out this area. Mini boss! Let's go! Ah. Shit. Damn it. Damn it! Ah! I have a new follower I can sacrifice. Got one back though. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Woo. It cost me 2 followers to get through that. That sucks. You made it back. Aww. We will revive you. It's okay. All the faith is gone. Somebody is dissenting. Where are you at? They're all naked now. He's angrily naked. Go to jail. Oh my god, guys, what is happening? We have naked dancing, we have sins, we have all sorts of weird going on. But hey, what's a cult without weird? If you are on YouTube, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and click the bell notification so you don't miss me going live anytime over on YouTube. Until next time, guys, I love you. Have a wonderful weekend. Until then, I am Medkicks, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.